In this video I will tell you that how to remove harsh shadows in seconds. So as you can see that we have a picture here which has like most uh, dark areas here on her face. So how we can actually remove this? So first of all, you need to actually go into this tab here, channels tab here, and then you need to hold the control key from your keyboard and press on this RGB channel. Okay, and then you have to come back to the layers, and then you have to press Control Shift I. Okay, and then you will press Control plus J. This will make a new layer, and now just you have to change the blend mode from normal to screen. So now as you can see that we have removed all the dark areas from this picture here. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.